Three simple indicators that will help you to understand you need more water. The first indicator is puffing under your eyes, and second, your skin getting dry day by day. So when you wake up and feel puffing under your eyes and your skin is dry and chapping every time, so that is very clear sign that your water intake is very low that your body required. The skin is also getting dry and chippy. Number 2, when you urinate and your urine color is very dark yellow. I relate urine color should be pale yellow, straw color, but if you are noticing that the color of your urine getting dark yellow, and there is the simple sign again that your kidney have to really work harder to flush out the toxin from your body just because you are not having enough amount of water. Chappy lips is also a clear indication that you are not having enough amount of water. Three simple tips that I follow when I am consuming the water. Number 1, I always sit and drink water. Never stand and drink water. Number 2, never gulp the water. Sip and take it very calmly and slowly. I always try to have water at room temperature, or I use a very gently warm water that is added by herbs or honey. So this is all about water, but before I wrap this session, I want to tell you 5 food you should completely avoid if you want to stop water retention. Number 1 is caffeine. Lots of caffeine impact your hydration level. Number 2, alcohol. Reduce or completely give away from alcohol. Number 3 is high sodium food. Which have high sodium content, you must avoid that food. They make your body puffy and you feel the water is getting retained from your body. Number 4 is high sugar food. The high sugar food is also impact the electrolytes in your body. Number 5 is high protein diet because protein required a lot of water. Well hydrated body function well. Not just it is also keep your mind calm and fresh. Along with that, if your body is proper hydrated, you will feel more energetic and refreshed and keep remain your body giving you indication that he need more water. Don't ignore that and be hydrated. If you like this video, share with your friends and family.